First off, what's your reaction to this ruling?
Well, it's a huge setback for the multinational Lafarge and a huge step forward for the plaintiffs in this case. It's the first time in the world, we should say that again, that a multinational enterprise is being charged with a crime of that level, and that's complicity in crimes against humanity. And it's not only charged as a company, but also as a parent company for the activities that took place abroad via its subsidiary. So this is obviously a decision that has a huge impact in terms of corporate criminal accountability.
So we've been following this investigation. At first, it was an investigation that was broke in the media and then became a case that is in the French courts. It's been going on for a really long time. Would you mind reminding us what exactly Lafarge stands accused of in its dealings with the Islamic State organization in the early days of the war in Syria?
Yes, what came out, it came from a whistleblower who was able to explain at what cost the company Lafarge decided to maintain its cement factory running in northeastern Syria. And the cost was that between 2012 and 2014, they transferred at least 13 million euros to various armed groups, including the Islamic State and the Al-Nusra Front. And they also bought raw materials from them. At the same time, this was while the war was raging at the doorstep of the factory. This was while the Islamic State was already committing atrocities that cannot be named. And yet, aware of that, they decided to continue maintaining this financing. And they also put the lives of their employees at risk because the Syrian employees were the only ones who were left at the plant, and they were compelled to come to work, crossing checkpoints and armed places, and were victims of kidnappings repeatedly, and yet forced to continue coming to work. This is also why the company today is also charged with the deliberate endangerment of their employees' lives. And what's important is that Lafarge, the parent company, today is being indicted for the crime of endangering the lives of its subsidiaries' employees.
Claire Tisser is a senior legal advisor.